So have you had any near-death experiences?
Nah, but one time in Orlando, I got on this waterfall. And then like, not waterfall, what am I saying? I'm thinking of Niagara. But what's it called? I got on this,
Like a water slide?
it's like slide, but it was
Yeah.
like all the way to the top of the park. And it was like, it's called Volcano Bay. They have like a mountain water slide. And you like get in this tube and the bottom opens up and you fall.
Yes, and you fall straight down.
Yeah, I did that, and like I knew it was coming, but like I guess I didn't hold my breath, so when it fell, I like breathed out. Like, I guess like the scream, because it was just crazy. And then like what's it called? The water went into my nose, and then like even though I was probably in the tunnel for like 5 seconds, I felt like I was in the tunnel for an hour.
Forever?
I was like, damn, I'm not gonna make it out of here. I can't breathe. I don't even have like like if you take a deep breath, you're good, but I didn't even have a deep breath.
Right. No, but
water
I feel like there's a height requirement to get on, but that you might have been reaching the height maximum on this.
Yeah, I might have.
So it was scary, but it wasn't. You would do it again.
It was.
You would do it?
Nah, I want to do it again. Sorry about that.
Nah, I wouldn't do it again. We have an amusement park here called Darien Lake. That's what pretty much
I've been hearing
everybody
about
goes.
that.
It's a cool spot.
It's like Six Flags, kind
Yeah,
of?
Six Flags, yeah.
Okay.
It's owned by them.
Nice.
Yeah, maybe we need to do a team building exercise. All go to Darien Lake, hang out.
Facts. That'd be
fun. I could DJ.
No, that would be sick.
That would be dope. We could take over Darien Lake. Let me get on the phone. Can you guys get on the phone with somebody and see if we can take over Darien Lake? We'd like to take over Darien Lake, please.
Let's do it.